Hi everyone. Today we are presenting demo of school ERP software in front of you all, which is Bell, powered by Meckwell Information Systems Private Limited. We have 5 modules in Bell: Fee, Tuckshop, Library, Attendance, Academic. Here we are presenting demo of Library module in front of you today, which is fully compatible with barcode scanner, thumb impression machine, and RFID card technology. When starting for the first time, user need to register his organization by clicking on registration form. Here you need to input details of your organization, then only you will be able to proceed further. After registration you will be able to log into software. After login you will select that in which session you want to log in. After entering into software, you will see all main menus on the main screen only, which further have sub-menus. These frequent menus saves your precious time. We have menu bar at the top left corner, where we have given all the option to access software. Below given is licensee information, which shows to whom the product has been registered. Moving to features. First option is Add Book under the Administrator tab. In Add Book option, you can add complete book records of your library with maximum details. If a book is having multiple copies, then copies can be created using Make Copies option. Software will create different accession number for that book automatically. You can also define that a book can be issued against which card, like library card, identity card, etc. If a book is not to be issued, then just tick not to be issued and book will not be available to issue anyone. Next we can add publisher, source or binder with complete details. Next option is to add student with useful details like name, father name, class, etc. Below here you can also mention maximum quantity of books which can be issued to this particular student, against library card, identity card and book bank. Same way we can add teacher or staff in software. Next, with print barcode option, you can print barcode for books, student and teacher. Mention accession numbers here, and select labels you want to take print. Just click display, and preview will be in front of you, which you can take print out of. To make any kind of payment through library, we have Make Payments option. Here you will define that whether you are making payment to source or binder. To transfer students from one class to another in bulk, we will use Transfer Students option. With Create New User option, you can create new user to access software, and can define rights to him as well. If the user is student, then there will be provision of OPAC in front of him. Further we have option of book circulation, where we do all the data entry. With Issue Book option you can issue book to any student or staff. Bulk issue option is also there. Same way you can make entry of book return. If a book is returned after due date, then software will calculate fine, and will show here. Fine can be received from here only, otherwise it will be reflected in ledger of book in due list. Next you can reissue book, can place binding order, can receive binding. After receiving binding, stock taking entry can be done. Stock taking entry is used to tally physical stock with stock present in software. To write off any book, we will use Write Off Book option. With Reserve Book option, you can reserve any book for student and staff as well. Once a book is reserved, it cannot be issued to anyone else except for whom it has been reserved. In Serial Control option, we have all heads related to serial control. In Add New Title, you can add details of any journal or magazine. Next you can generate subscription order for same. In Periodical Attendance you can mark attendance of periodicals on daily basis. Next with Set Preparation, you can make sets of the periodicals. Can make binding order. After receiving and accessing, you can generate report for that. With fine and dues option, you can set a fine. Like for how many days, how much fine will be charged. Also you can check fine, student-wise, class-wise or for all. Printout of the same can also be taken. In reports, we have all the necessary reports related to library. Like in book special search, we can find any book by title-wise, author-wise, publisher-wise, etc. Next is accession register, where all the books will be listed according to their accession number. You can take printout of accession register from here only. Next we have other more useful reports related to library like circulation record, list of authors, list of publishers, etc. To see any member's history, that for how many times book has been issued to a particular member, that can also be checked from here. In quick reports, we have all the reports which are required at the time of inspection, like count by title, subjects, authors, publishers, source and periodicals received. Same way we can generate reports of periodicals through serial control reports, like periodical search, periodicals not received, pending titles, set bound list, source list, publisher list, etc. Next we have some other reports like printing of catalog, stock printing, print book list, users work report, most frequent members, books most circulated, least circulated, never circulated, library rules which can be printed out from here only. Through letter wizard, letters related to library like approval letter, intimation letter, reminders to members, purchase order, and cancellation of order can be taken as printout. In utility option you can create new reminder, can check today's reminder, can configure data backup of software, can restore any backup, can use calculator, can check calendar, can make notes, or can exit from software. That was all about Bell Library module. Thank you for watching the video. For more information please visit bell.macquill.in.